Is your HUD account suspended? If you do not provide sufficient information for HUD's verification purposes, HUD may terminate or suspend your membership or access to the service. There are two ways to get your account back. Contact HUD Support. Write your information, such as your name, number, and mention that you have been suspended. Press Submit. 2. Purchase a new number on DatingZest. Go at DatingZest Shop and purchase a new number. Press Purchase Now. Write your billing details and credit card information. Press Place Order. After you purchased a new number on DatingZest, press Get Started. Now go on DatingZest and get the number. After you get the number, go on HUD and write the number. Press Send Code. HUD will send you a code on DatingZest, so go on DatingZest, copy the code. Copy the code and paste it on HUD. Your account is now verified.